I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Public App Full Guide. Start by creating an account, verifying your identity, and linking a funding source to enable deposits. Explore the dashboard to follow stocks, ETF, and fractional shares in your watch list. Learn to research by reading company summaries, analyst notes, and price history. Use limit orders for precise entries and set recurring investments for dollar cost averaging. Ask questions. In this video, I will explain how to use Public App Full Guide. Tap the search icon to find companies, ETF, and themes you care about and add them to your watch list. Open a security page to read a concise company summary, view analyst commentary, and check dividend details. Use interactive charts to adjust timeframes and add indicators for clarity. Practice with small trades first to learn order types and timing. In this video, I will explain how to use Public App Full Guide. Open the trade ticket, enter the dollar amount or share quantity, and select market or limit order type before confirming. Review estimated fees or settlement details and ensure your funding source has cleared. Monitor open orders and use cancel or modify if market conditions change. Keep notes on each trade and refine your plan as you gain experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.